You know, I haven't vlogged yet today, so I'm sorry about that. I just kept putting it off / forgetting, which is the story of my life. But Brett and I are at Buffalo Wild Wings. We have gift cards, so we came here tonight for supper. And I'm trying the it's called Buffalo Mac and Cheese, which makes it sound like it's like buffalo sauce. But they let me choose whatever sauce I wanted, so I chose head barbecue. So I have that delicious thing coming and a salad, which fries sound really good, but that wasn't really an option. I mean, because I probably could have, but it wasn't down there as an option. And Brett got his usual buffalo ranch wrap thing he gets. I tried that last time, but the buffalo, I think it was like too much buffalo, not enough ranch, or maybe just the buffalo tasted weird. He did give it to me. I'm really excited though, because mac and cheese sounds good with like barbecue sauce and chicken, and like we're gonna have like breadcrumbs on top and salad, and it sounds super good right now. I have eaten I had coffee today, and I had some crackers with like this like ranch cheese spread on it, which was really good, but not like, it wasn't hot. It wasn't like a hot meal, so this sounds really good. I'm excited. Anything you want to say about your food or your day or anything? No? Ladies and gentlemen, my husband. Okay.
I was about ready to deliver my State of the Union address.
Okay. What do you have to say?
My fellow Americans, stop getting on Facebook and saying retarded things. Go away. That's it. That's all I have to say.
Wise words. So I got a little excited, ate before I showed you, and just now remembered, because I saw my video camera sitting on the table, but this is what it looked like. It was really good. And then I have this bread, which is really not spicy, but I guess spicy, because it's some kind of spice, but it's a lot of seasoning, but it's good.
You're welcome. Do you want a box, honey?
Yes, please.
Yeah? Okay, I'll be right back.
Yeah, needless to say, I need a box. I was just telling Brett, what happened is what usually happens. I get like halfway through, like right about here, well, like you can see like halfway is like right there, and I'm like, oh, I think I'll be able to finish this. I'm not too full yet. And then I get like another fourth away and hit a wall, and I'm like, well, I guess I'm done. So I'm getting a box, we're gonna pay, and then we're gonna head out, and I'm planning on getting Starbucks. We saw me at Buffalo Wild Wings, but hi again. Y'all are gonna think I'm bipolar or something. I promise I'm not. I think I'm just, I don't know, getting ready to start or something. Cause I'm getting ready to cry again. Not for the same reasons. Happy things, but it's just that my emotions / mood this week have been like a roller coaster with sound effects. Also, Puppy. She is a statue. What made me want to go get my video camera out of my bag, my purse, where it was when I went to the restaurant, was that Xena. It's funny because, like, she's like, oh, I'm not doing anything anymore. She was over there on the other side of the couch, the love seat, just rolling around like crazy. Now she looks like a perfectly calm cute little puppy dog. She's adorable. But anyway, okay, sorry, I thought I heard my thing click. Like it turn stopped recording or something. But anyway, I'm watching Glee on Netflix, and having me a nummy drink from Starbucks. We also had to run to Walmart to get a couple loaves of bread for in the morning. They're having like the men's breakfast thing at church. And Brett may be doing a podcast thing with Dan. But anyway, I need to go to the store tomorrow and get a few things. Just a few, because life. But I am living the crazy life tonight, guys. It's Friday and I am partying. Woo! Oh, what these drinks do to me. Anyway, so I'm watching Glee, and then I may get wild. Watch out, guys. Watch out. I may go wild and play some Sims. Watch out. I don't know what this little dog's doing. She was, I don't know, shaking or something running there. So yeah, I'm going to watch this. I'm uploading a video, my second video of the day, which isn't the best of my videos, but it's called Cleaning from Christmas. You possibly already watched it. Just getting my house kind of back to normal after Christmas and everything. I got the Christmas tree and stuff taken down. But anyway, I wanted to say hi and possibly show Nina being a crazy. But nope. Guys, as soon as I turn this thing on her, she just calms way down. That's really fun. I'm gonna record you. Zena's over here aggravating. Zena, you're gonna get in trouble. Charlie doesn't have any front claws. But Peppy does, and she doesn't like to see arguing among other animals, so she's gonna... she might come in here and beat a book up. Zena, stop aggravating. You're just aggravated, that's all there is to it. She was over there laying down until Peppy came down, and Peppy went over there and went to the basement, I think. But she might be coming back up if she sees these two. Well, mainly Charlie. Zena, you're messing up my couch. Stop messing up my couch. Charlie's over here growling louder than I've ever heard Zena growl. I've very rarely heard her growl. But Charlie, he is not a happy camper. Hey Zena, can you go mind your own business and leave Charlie alone? Is that at all possible? She just doesn't learn. Meanwhile, I'm playing Sims. He makes the silliest noises, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but Peppy's sitting at the top of the stairs, just waiting. Peppy's messing my couch all kinds of messed up. Scaring me. Gosh. Charlie's gonna have a heart attack. Zena, you better watch out. Peppy's gonna come down here and beat you up. Charlie can't do much, but Peppy will beat you up. She just doesn't learn. My eyes have been watering like crazy. On an unrelated note, BT dubs. If I happen to face it toward me and my eyes are watery. She decided to lay down to Zena. Probably a good choice. Peppy is not happy up there. Not to mention Charlie, but Peppy's the one you gotta worry about. Oh my goodness. Oh. Zena, I don't know what you're trying to do. I just want to be friends. I just want to be friends and they won't be nice to me. Are you sad and lonely? Are you worried? I love you. Poor Popo. I love you, but I love them too. You just are very smart. You just have to stay away from the kitties. Go lay by the fire. If you just lay there and don't follow them, don't mess with them, she could run lay by me. She couldn't give up my computer, so she just laid next to me. Charlie is not having it. Not having it. Well, guys, it is what, after 2? No, 1:57, and I'm tired and deciding that it's time for me to go to bed. Tomorrow's Saturday, and I get to sleep in. We're just getting up early just to be at the church. I think by 7. I'm tired. Puppy's over there asleep. And I'm gonna have to put her in her cage because I don't trust her to be down here by herself without Mommy and Brett are asleep. So there's that. But I'm gonna end this here. So I hope you have a great, grand, wonderful, amazing, Palafity day, and I will see you in my next vlog.